Okay, morning guys. It's 6th of March. It's early morning. I'm having another coffee. I've been up all night. I'm going to quickly do the news for you and show you this strength and weakness, and then I'm kind of done for the day. What we got, there's quite a bit of news coming in this morning on the euro, which I'm kind of banking on sort of pushing some of the markets down a little bit, hopefully, like the DAX, that sort of thing, because it was quite high impact, but it hasn't really filtered into the market at all. So I'm just going to sort of sit on the sidelines with that one at the moment. But this afternoon, if we go through the morning, there is a reasonable amount of data coming in, and you want to be careful from about 1:15 onwards. On the run up, it's pretty low key. The trade that I'm on about there is the DAX, and it's just sort of coming into play now. And as you can see, I'm gonna there it is there. It's starting to push now, so I'm gonna just kind of watch that for a couple of minutes. Get it to about 50 quid, and then I'll be done with that. But there we are. In the afternoon, it is rattling like there is no tomorrow. And it's one after the other, and it's US and the CAD smashing at the same time. You couple this with PMI and an interest rate on the CAD, the markets will light up. They genuinely will. And that's what I want to draw your attention to. So this afternoon is going to be really volatile. Now, once you get through the afternoon, there's just nothing. Okay, so you're just gearing up to that lot, and then that's it. You kind of let it get on with it. Now, from a strength perspective, if I just pull this down into shot, just open that up a little bit for you. We'll see the pound is pushed steadily to the top, and the US is kind of losing ground. It was doing quite well, and now it's lost ground. It's lost a lot of ground yesterday, and the Aussies shot up. So the level that we were talking about yesterday, as we were saying, was very crucial, and it held and it's bounced the price. So if you were to try and trade into that level, as we said, it was dangerous. So we made the right call to let the price push up. But what we're looking at today is you're looking at the Swissy, which is here, and the pound. So is it a good market? Yeah, it's not bad. It's okay. It could be better. But a minimum target of about 6 pips. Okay, it is what we're looking at there. Now, I've also done the small account this morning. I actually did it on a set and forget, which is this one here, 361. Doesn't sound a lot, but as I showed you yesterday, guys, there's the level. I put a set and forget in on that level just to short it down, and that's cashed out fine. Now, I've just put that into the sheet, and I did pick up a question off James about filling the sheet in. Now, I'll do this as a proper video for you, probably the weekend, about how to fill this thing in. I've done it a few times, but there's that many videos, they do get lost. And the question was what to put in the invest. Well, the investment section is very simple. So obviously it's the date, the balance of what the trade is, and here you just put in the percentage number that you want. Now that could be 2%, 5%, whatever. But what I'll say is this is the maximum you're willing to put in. Now, I split my trades by 5, as you know, so it works out roughly 1% per split. If you want to look at it in percentage terms, I don't. I look at it in money terms. So what that's telling me is the total investment is only 1265 across 5 splits. if I was going to do it that way. Okay, so that's why I put 5 in here. It's kind of 5% of the pot, but that is my splits as well. And then I know that's what my maximum stop will be, 63 pips on this market. And then that's it. And then the rest of it's just your bid size or lot size, whatever you want. This is in money, not lots. So it's 20p money, which equates to 0.02 if it was a lot. How much I made this morning, it's telling me I've won it. It's told me the change of the balance. If I was looking to take an investment out of it, in other words, I want sort of 10%, let the money work for me, that's how much I would have need to have got minimum out of this. Well, I've got a lot more than that. And then obviously what's going on, because I'm not very well at all this morning. I'll be very well for a couple of days, to be honest, but hey ho. And that's why I'm slowing down, taking on too much. Going to strip everything back and go back to basics. Anyway, guys, catch yourselves well, and I'll see you soon.